Today we're going to be making salsa chicken in a Dutch oven. You'll want to stick around. Welcome back to Outdoor Skills Made Easy. It's still chilly outside, and of course I want to use the Dutch oven. So we decided that we're going to make some salsa chicken. We're going to dice up some chicken and some sweet potatoes. Add the favorite spices that we like and cook it. It's a simple recipe that you're going to enjoy. Today this recipe is pretty simple. We're going to start with our sweet potatoes. We're going to peel them and then cube them up. Next we'll go to the chicken. We'll take the fat off of that and cube that up. And then we'll go to our spices. The spices that I enjoy, of course, just some pepper, some salt. This is a real salt, which is actually mined in central Utah. It comes from a mine, and as you find that and use it, you'll see that there's still some minerals in that, and it is delicious, unlike any salt that you've used, so I really like that. Then we'll add our Tajin spices. Tajin tan bueno es eso, ¿verdad? It has some wonderful flavoring, not really spicy, but it's got some lime in it, which we really enjoy. So once we get our chicken all seasoned up, then we'll go to the Dutch oven and show you how it's done. Now we'll take our diced chicken thighs, put them into a bowl. Now we'll squeeze some lime, add our teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to use 2 tablespoons of Tajin spices, but we'll put one on the chicken now, and when it's cooking we'll add another one. Mix that up. We're ready to go. We've got our Dutch oven going. We've started the coals, and we're using the rule of 3 that we taught in another video, which is that you have a 10-inch Dutch oven. We're going to take away 3 briquettes from the bottom because the heat rises. We're going to add those 3 to the top. So 7 on the bottom and 13 on the top. We'll get about a 350-degree oven. We've added 2 tablespoons of canola oil, and now we're going to go ahead and add our chicken. We're going to brown that in batches and take it off, and then we'll add all the other ingredients and put it together. Let's check the progress now and see how we're doing. Oh, that looks nice. We'll scoop those out, save them in a bowl, and start the next batch. It looks like we browned the rest of our chicken. Now we're going to return everything to the pan, add all of our ingredients, and bring it to a boil. Let's add the chicken back in, a 1/4 cup of minced parsley, another tablespoon of Tajin seasoning, 1 bottle of your favorite salsa, and you can choose if you want it mild, medium, or hot. We'll put in these beautiful sweet potatoes, mix it all up. That looks beautiful. We'll cover it up and bring it to a boil. I think we've got a rolling boil, and so now what we're going to do is check it. And if we're ready, we're going to reduce the heat and let it simmer for 15 minutes until the sweet potatoes are soft. Oh, check that out, it's boiling nicely. That looks so nice. Let's close it up and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Our Dutch oven's been simmering for about 15 minutes. Let's take a look. The sweet potatoes should be just almost done, and they are. Let's go ahead and add the brown rice. And the water. A little more moisture there. We'll just kind of pat it down, float it a little bit. That looks beautiful. Wonderful color, and the smell is awesome. We'll put the lid back on, let it simmer about 10 minutes, and we'll be ready to eat. It's been simmering for a while, and now we want to check and make sure that the rice is nice and soft. So let's take the lid off, see how we've done. Oh, that is beautiful. Got a little spoon. We'll give it a test. That is perfect. So good, delicious, a little bit of spice. Wonderfully done. Time to eat. Let me top this off with some beautiful chives. As much as you want. And let's get after it. Oh,
It's a fun taste. I like that.
that is really good. That is so good. Wish you guys were here. I wish this was smell-o-vision. It's fantastic. It really is. This is such a fun and easy meal to make, and it's delicious, colorful, and it's perfect for a little cool weather in the out of doors. We hope that you've enjoyed this as much as we have, and hope that you'll join us again at OSME TV.